Thank you for joining me in my channel, and I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe and like.
And I also try to make it indent where the middle was because I did not do a very good job yesterday. So the white definitely makes a difference. I can see already. Okay, I need to get back in the middle because I keep moving my... I can already see some of the cells popping through the metallic in the cup. Get a little closer to the board. Definitely think I did a better job this time.
Mm-hmm.
No idea what I did with my blowtorch. There it is. I could definitely start to see a lot of the cells starting to pop up. There's something with that metallic with the Decoart. It just creates crazy cells. Now I'm not using a wrapped canvas because they're a little bit not in my budget right now. So right now I'm just playing with the beginner's canvases at Michael's. It's what I can afford and it's a lot easier on the budget. But I do like adding that white in between. It's not showing up a lot, but it's enough to really help with the cells, which is really fascinating. And what the spinning does is just stretching it out, but more in a slower space. Usually when I'm stretching things out, it goes all over my walls and it's like a hot mess. I mean, you should really see my studio. It's just crazy. So trying to prevent from having more damage done to this room. So I'm definitely taking my time, which I think also makes a really big difference. I'm definitely liking these results. Way better than the one from last night. So I think what I'm going to do is just add the paint on the edges to help it move. A lot of stuff going on. The cells are insane. Oh my God. Wow. Wow, wow. So definitely the key is the metallics and Decoart for one, and the Floetrol. I didn't use any Liquitex medium like I usually do, or any GAC 800 like I usually do. I'm literally just using Floetrol and water. And what Floetrol does is it actually helps to level the paint. It's what a lot of painters use when they're painting inside or outside of the house. So it's commonly found at Home Depot. It's definitely a lot cheaper than the mediums I've been buying. Just trying to get this to come over to the edge a little bit without ruining. It almost looks pretty with the with that like that. So I'm definitely going to keep this blue. I need to put a cap on it because it's really pretty that I made. I even added a little bit of the champagne gold, just a tad bit to give it a little bit more shimmer. And literally, it's just a mix of many different blues together until I found close to some of the colors I see it on the Prism site. I get paid this Friday, so I'm definitely planning on buying some Prism. I keep adding them to my cart, but then I don't check out, so I'm so sorry. But I think this is my new favorite piece. I think I even like it better than yesterday's, which is shocking because I really liked yesterday's, but this almost reminds me of like Cayman Islands or something. You've got that really pretty blue, and almost like there's like little islands popping up everywhere, and it's just yeah, it's crazy. It's slowly starting to come off. Slowly but surely. Much better. The cells are definitely doing much better. Well, let me give you a closer look. I'm just going to use the torch one more time. But this is by far my absolute favorite. I am shocked on how well this came out. I am shocked. I'm shocked. I definitely think layering it a little bit differently is definitely the key to making it come out this way. So this is a close-up. I mean, look at the cells. It's absolutely crazy. You would think that I was painting the cells onto this, and I'm not. And then look at that middle. It's like a sea of oasis. It's just, oh my God, it's breathtaking. I'm going to keep doing this until I get it even more and more better. I'm going to be doing tons of these. This is my new thing now. I was really excited about my swipes because my swipes were coming out really awesome. But this is by far my favorite. Absolute favorite. So look out for more. I'm loving this. Let me know what you think. I'm thinking of calling this Oasis, I think, because it reminds me of a tropical island. I was going with a pirate theme and it totally did not come out that way. It came out totally different. And what I love is when you're using two different metallics that are close together, but they're not the same color, it gives it such a shadowy look. And that came from Gina DeLuca's video. She suggested that. So I cannot take credit for that. Wow. I'm like so impressed with myself. Anyways, okay. Like and subscribe for more, please, please, please. And share this video. The more it gets to see, the more followers I can get and create more arts. Everything I purchase here is from Michael's, Liquitex, and Decoart, and Floetrol. That's it. Except for the Amsterdam white. But yeah, thank you so much for watching.